Namaste friends, welcome back to Featherswood. In today's topic, we'll be seeing the rarest mutation in the budgies, which hardly few people have in entire world. So guys, when it comes to budgies, we commonly know that the normal budgies, their wings will be completely dark patches, and the spangles wings once again the beautiful looking birds with a pencil shade markings on their wings. Apart from that, we might heard about Holland budgies, showcross budgies, helicopter budgies, and sometimes even rainbow budgies, which is an emerging thing. Guys, now I'll be sharing 5 very rarely seen and very high rare mutation budgies, which I'll be sharing now. Okay, so first one comes the black faced budgie. Guys, black faced budgie, till even now I have not seen it. I have seen only in the photos, but hardly few people, not in India basically, especially in UK, not many breeders, only selective breeders has brought these budgies from extinct, and now it is a bit abundantly available. So how these budgies will be there is like, unlike the new budgies will be having a cap feathers on their head, they will be having cap feathers entire throughout their body. I'll be sharing their photos, you can see now. The next comes purple cheek budgie. So any budgie will be having the blue cheek on their face, but this type of budgies will be of around violet color, but they'll be having the purple cheek, not the blue cheek. So that's a unique thing, and only hardly few has in the world also. Not, I don't think many has in India. Okay. Next come feather dust budgies. This is once again a very beautiful looking bird. Unfortunately, these budgies, feathers keeps on growing and they doesn't stop. They grow in such a way that they close their eyes also. The feathers close the eyes, and one disadvantage about this budgie is they have very less lifespan. They die within a year, and also they cannot fly. So you are supposed to treat them as an hamster. You are supposed to keep them in a cage, keeping a small hamster home inside the cage, so that they eat and they just go there and sleep in one particular corner. So feather dust budgie is once again a very beautiful looking bird, but because of this low color pigments and with their poor genetics, we cannot see them beyond a year. And half-sider budgies. Guys, half-sider is once again called as chimna budgies. For example, half the body will be of one color and other second of body will be of different color, something like green and blue or something like that. So even these budgies are hardly few in numbers, and only the selective people outside India has this, and now their population is growing in some parts of Bangladesh also. Then comes the clear wing budgie. As you can see, any common budgie, their wings will be of different shades, something like dark black or pencil black shades in the clear wings. But clear wing is, you cannot see any markings or any feather markings. You can see a complete white feathers in their back. So that's a clear wing budgie. Even this is once again not very commonly seen in everywhere. I will try to share all their videos if possible. I am trying to collect it. If I am trying, if I get, I just give the complete credits to them. If not, I'll be sharing only their pictures, guys. You can just have a look at it. So this is the 5 rarest mutations which we can see in entire world. And there are few countries, for them even the rainbow budgies are very new to them. It's a very entirely new concept, and even helicopter budgies are very new concepts. Okay, so you can also look into it when you are, suppose in India, you might at least come across certain budgies called show cross budgies or Holland budgies or something like that. But you know, this type of budgies, I don't think not many, hardly you know, people here might have. So even if they are having, they'll be very protective with their diet and the way they take care of it, because they are too sensitive. So they live in only in particular thing, and any infections happen, then that will be an adverse effect for them, and you know, that will be a tough time to a breeder. So not very few in India might have this, but these budgies are very less in numbers in entire world. So having said that, this is about the rarest of the rarest mutations which we can see in entire world. I thought, okay, let me do a topic on this, and yes, this is about the rarest budgies, guys. So for more updates, you can, you know, follow me in almost all social media platforms. This is Chetan signing off from Feathersuit. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.